it's Rue and my girlfriends. I have here Rose and my friend Kelly. In this video, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a B52 drink. Are you guys ready to make this drink with us?
I'm ready. Are you ready? I just want a drink.
All right, let's get started. What we're gonna do is we're gonna gather our ingredients. So let's go grab them. What you're gonna need is Coffee Liqueur. I have here Kahlua, Bailey's Irish Cream, and the third ingredient is Marnier Orange Liqueur. 3 items. It's tool time. What we're gonna use is a shot glass like this, and we're gonna use a spoon. You could also use a bar spoon if you have it at home, but we'll use a good old spoon. First step, what we're gonna do is this. We are going to pour 1/3 of this alcohol into the shot glass. So I am gonna go first, and I'm gonna find second step is the Bailey's Irish Cream. What we do is pour 1/3 into the drink, but we're going to use our teaspoon to pour.
And the finale is step 3. Dun, 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 dun.
Okay, step 3 is the. All right, same thing, ladies.
You have to just think, oh my gosh.
Yeah, you have to pour it slowly. Okay. You have to make sure it's still. And there you go, my friends, the B52. Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
If you want to learn how to make more cocktail drinks from home, subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss an episode. Comment below if there's a drink you would like to see next.
Step 2. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna use the Bailey's Irish Cream here, and also we're gonna need our spoon,
Tablespoon.
teaspoon.
I tricked her. At least I got mine to stay on top.
It's okay.
Good.
Okay, there you go.
It'll slowly.
I'm different.
You have a shaken B52 right there.
A shaken B52. All right. Okay, so who poured the best?
Can we get a spotlight, please, on this one? That's
better.
called QC.